Today's lesson is the second lesson in Chapter 6. Measure area using standard units. What we're going to do today, we will solve questions like these questions. We need to find the area of the shape. And as you see here, my heroes, as similar like what we were doing before. What is the difference? Okay, to see the difference, we see here different square units here for each question. Okay, let's see the units and okay, I'll tell you. You tell me now. I show you the page.
262.
Great. So go ahead, everyone. Open your books, page 262. So, my heroes, what we're doing today is all about units. But before we start, I need to ask you a question. What is the difference between length and area? Let's start with length. The length is like what? Can you give me an example for any length?
The length of my pencil.
Excellent. So it's a line segment. Like this one. You can measure it using a ruler, and you may find it 3 centimeters, and so on. So this is the length. The length is like a line segment. Okay, now for the area. What is the area? Can anyone remind me what is the meaning of the area? What? Yes.
The covered surface.
Yes, excellent. So if you have any shape, so for area, we are dealing with shapes like these shapes, and the area is the space inside the shape. So this space is the area. So this is the difference again, my heroes. The length is a line segment, and the area is inside the shape. So for lengths, we are dealing with line segments, and for area, we are dealing with shapes. Okay, I will erase this, and let's see what do we have in this page. Okay, in this page, we have different units for length and area. I will write it in the top, and I want you also to write it. So everyone write this with me. These units are for length, and these units are for area. So for length, we are using the unit itself, and for area, we are using square unit. If you are using for length inch, so are using for area square inch. If you are using for length foot, so you are using for area square foot. If you are using for length centimeter, so you are using for area square centimeter.
Square centimeter.
If you are using for length meters or meter, so you are using for area square meter. So any unit you use for the area should be square unit. Okay, let me show you the difference here. Unit squares can represent different standard units. So look at this one in the left here. I'll use another color here to make sure that you see it. Each side is 1 unit. So the area is 1 square unit. But look at the one to the right, this one. Each side represents 1 inch. So the area is 1 square inch. Okay. Now we know that for area we are using square units. Square inch, square foot, square centimeter, square meter. Any of these. Let's see an example for this. We need to find the area of this rectangle. How to find the area? Help me, my heroes. Remember what we were doing before. Yes, exactly, Abdulaziz. So, let's count. Okay, let's count together. Let's count together.
1,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12.
So, 12 unit squares cover the rectangle.
Square meter.
Yes. What is the used unit? Square meter. We get it from here, my heroes. Look, it's written here. Let me choose another color. It's written here. So each unit square represents 1 square meter. Now we need the area. So the area is
12.
Yes. 12 what?
12 square meter.
Excellent. So the only difference is that we will write 12 square meters, not 12 square units. Why? Because each unit square is 1 square meter. Okay? Marwan, mute your mic. Okay, my heroes. When you finish writing, solve question number 1. And when you finish question number 1, raise your hand.
I finished.
Okay, I see that you're raising your hand, Abdul Rahman. Is there anyone writing?
Yes, me, teacher. I am Sultan.
Okay, my hero, quickly. When you finish question number 1, my heroes, raise your hand. I see only 4 hands. Oh, wow. Great work. Okay. Did you finish, my hero? Can I erase it? Is there anyone writing? Okay. Now let's see question number 1. رضاي. رضاي.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, help me, my hero.
Seven squares. Find the areas of the shape.
Okay,
Seven
so
squares
7 unit squares cover the rectangle.
cover
And
the
each unit
rectangle.
square represents
One
what?
square
What, my hero?
unit. One square unit.
No.
1 square foot.
Of course. And now the area is
Teacher, what is the one and square and FOOT?
yes,
Foot, right?
it's this one. رضاي, what is the area? It should be 7 square feet. Okay, Rodai? So
Okay.
the number 7, because 7 unit squares cover the rectangle. We counted them, they are 7. And we are using square feet here. The difference here is that this is foot and this is feet. Foot for one foot. But more than one, we use feet. So 2 feet, 3 feet, and so on. So this is 7 square feet because it's more than one. Okay, my heroes, when you finish writing, solve questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. But now, everyone, lower your hands again. Lower your hands again. Lower your hand, Anas, Abdurrahman, Khalid, Ahmad.
I can't afford.
Sultan, lower your hands.
Me too, Abdurrahman Ayman.
You solved the 4 questions? Wow.
Yes.
Okay, Abdurrahman. Okay, Anas. Is there anyone writing?
Yes, teacher. Me.
Okay, my hero, quickly.
I finished now.
So let's move to the page, the next page. I'm waiting for everyone to finish quickly, my heroes. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's start. Khalid Shridi.
Yes, teacher. Find the area of the shape. It's easy because we can know if there's 6 and 6 and 2. It's easy, it's 14. Because 7 and 7 make 14.
So
8.
these are 14 squares covering the square units covering the shape.
Yes.
Okay, so I will write the 14. And what is the square unit that I should write?
Square foot.
Okay, but this is more than one. So remember, we
Square
should.
feet.
Excellent. Okay, so my hero's focus, it's different because it's more than one. Thank you, Khalid. Great work, my hero.
You're welcome.
Question number 3. Hassan Sam.
Yes, teacher. We count the green ones.
Okay, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 16.
Okay, so you missed 15. So these are 16, right?
Yes.
And what unit should I use?
Square centimeter.
But this is not one.
Square centimeters.
Excellent. So I will just add S here because it's more than one. If it's 1 square, I will write 1 square centimeter. But because it's more than 1, I should write S. Marwan? Marwan? الجنوبي؟ الجنوبي؟ أحمد أبو زر؟
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Ahmad. Question number 4.
Four. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
So these are 15.
No, 16, 17, 18.
So these are 18.
18 square inches.
Excellent, Ahmad. Great work. Okay, but do you know, Ahmad, when we want to write inches, I have a problem here. Because inches end in CH, so I cannot write S.
Write ES.
Excellent, my hero. Okay, as you know, in English, when you have CH at the end, you cannot write S. You should write ES. And because this is more than 1 square inch, I should write square inches, 18 square inches. So we add ES. Thank you, my hero. Anas Usama?
Yes, teacher.
Would you like to count?
It's 8.
Oh, you counted it already. Oh, so these are 8. And what should I write?
2, 8 square meter.
8 square
Meter.
Meter?
No, meter.
So I should add S, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Okay, finish writing, then I will send to you the practice link.
Teacher, I copy your writing. Everything you write, I copy.
Wow, great work, my hero. First question, these are 16. So
16 square inches.
excellent, square inches.
Square inches.
Excellent. In the second question, these are 9. So
9 square feet.
excellent. So we should choose 9 square feet. Okay, the next question.
18 square inches. 18 square inches.
Great. Because these are 18 squares, 18 square units covering the shape, and we are using square inch. Oh, this one is very large.
36 square meters.
No, not 36.
Square meters. No, 36 square meters. 36.
Why do you see 36?
Square meters.
63, not 36.
63 square meters.
Yes, exactly, my hero. Okay, and this one also?
30.
35, okay.
35 square meters.
No, why meters?
Centimeters.
Yes, 35 square centimeters. Okay. So this was the last question.
35 square centimeters.
We solved it already. Okay, my heroes. Now, any problems?
No, bye teacher. See you on the school.
Inshallah. See you, my heroes. And goodbye.
Bye teacher. I love you.
I love you too, my hero.
Next week in the school.
Inshallah.